What's up, comrades? It's Scapegoat here, and in this tutorial we are going to be creating a melodic bass sound that you can use in genres like tech house, house, and drum and bass. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting with oscillator 1, we are going to have the saw wave selected. We can turn the phase randomization to 0, and we can go ahead and put the pitch down to -24. Oscillator 2, we're going to basically do something very similar, but we're going to go to basic shapes and we're going to have a square wave. Phase is at 0, and the only thing is the pitch we can put at -12. Moving on to filter 1, we can go ahead and select the analog 12 dB, turn the resonance down, and the cutoff should be around -15. It doesn't have to be perfect, just something similar. And then for envelope 1, we can go ahead and turn the sustain down, the decay, we can adjust it to about here. And then for the envelope 1, we're going to put it to the cutoff. And we can turn the amount down to about here. So you could always adjust this to your preferences as well. Oh, and also make sure that oscillator 2 is going through filter 1 as well. It should sound something like this so far. Moving on to the effects section. We're going to go ahead and select the compressor. You can go ahead and turn up the mids a little bit and the lows a little bit, which sounds something like this. Then we can add some distortion, just a little soft clip. You can always adjust this as well. Lastly, we're going to throw on an equalizer. We could take some of the sub out, especially if you intend to layer this with a sub later. Then you can maybe boost some of this over here a little bit. Also, one more thing I forgot is you're going to want to change the voices to 2 and also put the unison detune to 7% as well. It should sound something like this. Another thing to note is that I did layer a sub using Serum. I just put a square wave with the MG Low 24. You can use any sub that you like. And that's basically how you get the sound. So as always, the preset is down in the description box below. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time.